Well, important development coming from the Supreme Court, and that is that the Lokpal cannot proceed with any action against TMC Member of Parliament Mahua Moitra for now. It cannot also ask the CBI to file a charge sheet against her for now in the alleged cash for queries case. The Supreme Court has issued a notice on a plea by the Lokpal itself, which had approached the court seeking certain clarifications on point of law and procedure in view of the Delhi High Court setting aside its order to grant a charge sheet against Mahua Moitra. Let me go across to Harish for more on this. Harish, this is a setback of sorts for both the Lokpal and the government as well, at least at an interim level. We'll have to now wait and see as to how they respond to the notice. But no action can be taken on the part of the Lokpal just as yet against Mahua Moitra. It cannot direct the CBI to file a charge sheet against her in the cash for queries case. So momentary relief for Mahua Moitra right now.
Yes, that's right, Siddharth. The relief continues for the TMC MP Mahua Moitra, as the Supreme Court has, in fact, asked the Lokpal not to act against for now, which means that Lokpal cannot immediately sanction any charge sheet against Mahua Moitra, because the Supreme Court has stayed the Delhi High Court's that part of the order which it had said that High Court had said that Lokpal should decide within 2 months, that is the December 25th order, within 2 months on sanction and also charge sheet against Mahua Moitra in this case. In fact, this order, as rightly said, came on a petition appeal filed by the Lokpal seeking certain clarification on point of law and procedure in view of the Delhi High Court staying decision where it had given sanction to the CBI to file charge sheet against Mahua Moitra. The Supreme Court has also importantly issued notice to the centre, the complainant Nishikant Dubey, CBI, and also Mahua Moitra, and sought the response within 3 weeks. So till the it is felt that the feeling is that Mahua Moitra will continue to get this relief till the Supreme Court adjudicates on the powers, statutory powers of the Lokpal comprehensively, and also state whether it has any statutory restrictions in this regard. Remember, sure, the Delhi High Court had stayed the order against Mahua Moitra, saying that there were certain procedure errors on the part of the Lokpal, and prima facie the Delhi High Court felt that it had not given proper hearing to Mahua Moitra, and also explored whether the a closure report could be filed in this case before deciding on the sanction to file a charge sheet against Mahua Moitra. Okay. So that is why in this view of the matter that Lokpal had approached Supreme Court, saying that it needed some pronouncement, authoritative pronouncement from the Supreme Court vis-a-vis certain rules and procedures. Absolutely. As cited by the Delhi High Court against the Lokpal.
So the relief, like you rightly said, Harish, continues, because she was of course given relief by the High Court itself, which had prevented the Lokpal from proceeding to give any kind of sanction to prosecute Mahua Moitra and have the CBI file a charge sheet. That relief has continued now in the Supreme Court right now. Notice has been issued. We'll wait and see as to how the developments now proceed. Many thanks.